Okay, let's try this again. Okay, now we have a different output. Introducing the trailing stop. This wasn't the earlier result, so now back tests. Okay, so let's complete for the sell side. Okay, so I'm just going to copy and paste this. So if this is sell, then we use break trigger S. Then this is negative, and this is negative, and this is less than, and this is greater than, and this is S. Okay, so that's for buy, for sell. Okay, okay, now it looks different. Now you have a 55% win rate, sharp ratio of 0.91. Okay, this is not good results because you have 16 consecutive losing trades, but the consecutive loss count is 72 $72. Okay, so let's clean up the code. The first thing I think we should do is let's introduce some variables. Inputs risk to reward. Inputs double. Let's see. So, um, okay, so Yeah, so this is lots. So this is risk to reward. So it's so if you want a five risk to reward, you can change all of those values. You can, make this 700, make this 400. You see, that okay, you can see the print statements position was modified to break even for sell, produce modified to break even for sell. So you can see the trading stop works. So this is how to build a SMC EA. However, we can still like filter. Uh, you hear about high time frame bias. We could have introduced a high time frame condition into this EA. You can even, it's not compulsory the EA is based only on smart money concept. For example, let's take it a crazy step further. Let's try to view our trade results. This is our trade results on the H1. What if we added a moving average? Trend, where is the moving average? 89. Okay, simple moving average 89. Okay, this is a beautiful filter. So we want to take buy positions only when our low value is above the moving average and take sell positions only when this is uh, below the moving average. So how do we achieve that? We go back to the code to go and create an handle for the simple moving average. So the MA period is 89. So I'm inputting all the values here. You see they pop up if you have it correctly, but if you have it wrong, you're going to know because um, all of this is not going to come up. So now let's just get this information into the buffer. array set as series, very important. I can also move this line into the initialization, but I won't do that. Let's just leave it here. So just to copy buffer. There are three different types of buffer here. So undo, uh, the buffer number, start position, start count. Okay, so I'm going to use the first one. So undo SMA, main line, 0, let's copy 9, SMA. Okay, let's compare. Do we have any errors? E, yes. Okay, it's just the semicolon. Okay, no errors. Okay, so we can just okay. Let me show you what we can do. So to filter, we can say if SMA1, or rather, I can say if lows 0 is greater than SMA1, in this case, it's going to be I is less than. So this E is a filter. Lows, I use the small letter again. Okay, so this serves as a filter. It's going to change the output, probably for good, probably for worse, but we'll find out. Looks good. Not really. Okay, 106 trades, consecutive losses is down to 9. So we can decide, okay, let's make it the second lows 1 and highs 1 instead of As you can see, we have an improved Sharp ratio. Balance drawdown now is 7.15%. So you can edit your EA any way you want. But this is just a basic way of converting smart money concept into code. So this is an introductory course. We're going to attempt to program more difficult expert advisors going forward, but this is just an introduction to SMC programming. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and share with your friends too. Have a lovely day.